does it all. This fantastic vehicle is just waiting to bring the right owner lots of joy and happiness with years of trouble-free use. This 2007 Optima won't last long at $62 below NADA retail. Less than 77k miles. Includes a Carfax buyback guarantee. Safety features include curtain airbags, passenger airbag, daytime running lights. How tempting are all the features on this 2007 Optima? Power windows, power heated mirrors, 162 horsepower, 2.4-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 4 doors.